Dear learners, welcome again. So this is our last lecture of this week on working on R. In this lecture, I'll be discussing about the packages and help, how we can install the packages and how we can call the packages and what are the different component of the packages, and if we stuck anywhere, how we can seek the help. Okay. So first we'll discuss about the packages and then I'll discuss about help. So the availability of various kind of packages in R makes it a powerful tool for data analysis, visualization and other computation. So package is a collection of code that is written specifically for a given task. Okay, there are like different kinds of analysis are there. Okay, so for that R has a strong community, and that community develop a different kind of package for that particular kind of task. Okay, so say for example you want to do it for a sentiment analysis, or you want to use R for text mining. So there are like different packages are there which you can use for your that particular analysis. Okay, and our community regularly develop these new packages and update the existing one. Presently it has more than 20,000 packages in R for different kind of analysis and computation, and all these packages in R we can see on the CRAN page. Okay, this is the CRAN page, and this is the same page where we have started our first lecture when we installed R. And if you see on the left hand side of this page, there are different details are there. These are mirrors and all those things, but under software you will find the packages. Okay, and if you click on packages, so it has listed all the packages, like either by date of publication when the package was published, or by the name. So we'll click each of the link. So the very recent these are the some of the package has been published. So here you can see the packages by the name and very small description what exactly that package is. So for example, we have the package for ANOVA, and there are like 44 results are there. And if I go, so this particular package is ANOVA Sine 2 interactive document for working with analysis of variance, and there are like many different task specific packages are there. Okay, there are like another package word cloud if you want to generate the word cloud. So this particular package is for word cloud, and there is another package for word cloud. So there are like different packages are listed here, and you can select each of the package as per the requirement of your analysis, and all those packages are free. Okay, so sometimes we are worried that the software is free but packages are we have to pay something, but these packages are free, you can install and then you can use it for your analysis. Okay, all these packages comes with various kind of details. So let us see what are those different details of packages with the example. So let us take the example of bibliometrics. So this is a package for comprehensive science mapping analysis. If you see here, this particular package has for comprehensive science mapping analysis, and then description is there that tool for quantitative research in scientometric and bibliometric. It provides various routines for importing bibliographic data from Scopus, Web of Science, Dimension, and then Lens, PubMed, and you can do different kind of analysis like co-citation, coupling and all. Okay, so and it has various other analysis feature also. Okay, this is very brief about this particular package. Then this version is 4.1.4. then it depends on our version which is either 3.3.0 or higher than this. So whenever you are using this version of this package, you must have this version. Okay, then it has these many imports. So whenever you are installing this package, so these are also some packages of R. Okay, so this is a single package which depends on multiple other packages. Okay, so like for example, this ggplot2 is a popular package for data visualization, and it depends on these many other packages. Then we have for like this stringy for the string processing. Then we have this TD text, and it is for like other text mining and other tools. Then we have this Shiny. So Shiny is a package in R which is used for creating the web-based interface. So we will see all those things when we will be doing the analysis. And if you see, all those packages are listed on CRAN, and they have these all details. Okay, and it suggests also that you can have these packages also. Then this particular version was published on 28 November of 2023. Then these are the authors, and there are these are the ORCID ID of this particular author, and among these author, this particular author is the maintainer. Okay, so maintainer who maintain this package. Okay, if there are like any bugs are there and those things, so what are the bugs and all those things you can report on this page. And also there are like many issues are already listed here. Okay, then it has license. So what exactly that license is? So license become very important whenever you are using any of the open source software or the package. So it has the detail of license. So this particular package have this particular GPL3 license. Under this license, it has all the details that what exactly the copyright is and other those things. Okay, then it has the URL, that these are the URLs where you can get about these packages. Then no compilation is required. Then citation, I have already discussed that citations of R software and the packages. So it's very important whenever you are using this package or any other packages, you must cite it. So if I click on here, it will show that how to cite this particular package. Then the materials and those CRAN checks. Okay, so these are the CRAN checks are there. Okay, and then finally the reference manual. Okay, which is very important, how to use the package, how to call the particular function in that package. Okay, so this is the whole reference manual. So each packages have their own reference manual, how you can use the package, what are the different function, how you have to uh, how you have to call or how you have to do the analysis in that particular package. Okay, so if you see here, this particular hist plot function is used to plot the historical co-citation network, and there are like many other functions are there. Okay, so similarly we see for the Shiny, we have this Shiny manual, and we have also for TD text, we can click here. Then we have for Stringy also. So this is the reference manual of Stringy, and then ggplot2. Okay, so each package have their a comprehensive kind of reference manual which you can use during the analysis. So if we see here, so for Shiny, the all details are there. Then for TD text, it is the details are there. Then instead, like there are like multiple way of installing the package. Okay, so it provide you the file also. We'll see how to install the package. So you can install this, or you can install the binaries also. Binaries depending on your operating system, either Windows or Mac. On the, if you want to see the old source, okay, because this is the latest version. If you want to see the old source of this particular package, you can see here, and these are the all older files of this particular package. So each package in R comes with these many details. So whenever you are using any of the package, you must go first to the page of where that package is, what are the different dependency are there, what are exactly the manuals, because manual will be very helpful during the analysis. So packages in R can be installed by using multiple way. So the first way is using the command line, and the second way is using the graphical user interface of R or R Studio. Then in the third way, like if you want to install from local repository, or if you have already downloaded the packages and you want to install it from local repository, you can do that also. Okay, so first we will see how we can install the package by using the command line, and then we'll see other options. Okay, so to install the package, you have to use this function install.packages, and under this you have to mention the package name. So say for example, I'm installing some package, and say for example I am installing this ZFA. Okay, so I have to mention ZFA. And so at this moment you will be require internet, because we are installing the package from the repository. Okay, so once this package is installed, you can use it for your analysis. The another way of installation is that from the local location. So say for example you have already downloaded the this package. Say for example this is the package, and I am just downloading this package. Now this package is installed. I have to call this location of this particular package. So under downloads, so it depends on where that file is downloaded. So by default my download directory is downloads, so it will be in downloads. So I'll just, this is the path of my package location, and if I run this, so whenever you are installing the package locally, you make it sure that the other dependency of this package are already installed. Okay, for this particular case, if you see the page on CRAN, it says that it imports 2D, this mass and vgame. Okay, and the same error it is showing here, that this 2D and vgame are not available for package accessor. Okay, so these are the main dependency. Okay, so whenever you are doing the installation by this way, you have to be very careful about the dependency of this particular package. Okay, and the second way is mostly not preferred by the our users, but you must know that we can install in this way also. And the third way is the most easiest way and the most popular way to install the package is the GUI installation. So how we can do that? By going to the tools in the this menu bar, and we can click on the install packages, and here you have to just return ASS. So this was our package which were not able to install using this way. So and then we don't have, like, these are some of the different repositories are there, and then we'll click on the install dependency. Okay, and now if we will install, this package will be installed. Okay, so this is how you can install the package, and this is the most convenient one to install the package. In the first case, we have installed the package by typing this command name, but whenever we are installing the package by using the GUI, we don't have to type it down this command. Okay, it will automatically type down and the package will be installed. Okay, so this is how you can install the packages in R. Then you can check the number of packages installed in your system by using this command. It is install.packages. If I run this, so these many packages are installed in my system. So you can use this install.packages command to list all the packages installed in your system. Okay, now after installation you have to call this package. Okay, so for each session in R you have to call the package, whichever package you want to use. Okay, so to call the package we have to use the function library. So how we will call the package? So we have to use in this way. This is a function name, and under this function name we have to write the package name. Okay, so these are the two requirements whenever you are doing the analysis in R for a specific kind of package. First you make it sure that the package is installed in the R, and in the second you must call it the package before doing the analysis. Okay, now say for example this particular package is already installed in my machine. If I call it, so this particular package is called. Now if I have to run this, it will show these many options are there. Okay, now take it example that if I take a new session. And now if I do like this, okay, you will see that no options are showing of biblioshiny and other things, okay. Many times these errors have been reported, that sometimes people ask that I'm not able to see the function, that particular function, okay. So this is a very basic and fundamental step, that whenever you are doing the analysis, you make it sure that it is well installed, the correct version is installed, and you have called that package, okay. Say for example, you are using currently this particular package, and after 1 year you are doing some another analysis or using this package, okay, and the community which manage these packages are continuously updating the things, okay. If there are any bugs are there, or if there are any other issues are there, so it's a another suggestion that whenever you are doing the analysis on a package which is installed long back ago, you must update that package. And so to update the package, you can use the command update.packages. You have to give the name of that particular package, okay. So after the installation of the package and after the calling of that package, the another thing which is very important during the analysis is path. So the whole calling in the R depends on the path, where exactly that particular file is, okay. So path is basically the location of the that particular file. So by default in Windows, the path will be your documents directory. So what directory you are using it, okay. So if I run this, it will give me the output that I am using this particular directory. Now if you have this document directory, and whatever the data set you have to keep in the documents, okay. If you have to call it here, other way is that you can provide the whole path, like here what I have done here is, when I was installing the package, I have provided the whole path, so where this file is located. So in this way you don't have to worry about the working directory, whatever what working directory is. But say for example, if I do like this, so here you will see the directory of my document only, okay. You won't find the data which is located in downloads, okay. So to do that, you must use the right directory. Whenever you are like after calling the package, whenever you are doing the analysis, you must use the right directory where that data is, or where that package is located, okay. If you want to like change the directory, so if you want to like my default directory is document, but if you want to change this directory to downloads, okay. Now what you can do, for that you have to use this function set working directory, and under set working directory you have to give the path. So like say for example, I just copy this here and now downloads, something is missing. So this is another important, if you noticed here, this plus symbol is another good feature, like whenever you have missed anything in the command, it will show that this plus sign, okay. This plus sign signify that you missed something, okay. So what I missed here, double inverted comma. Now if I run this, and now if I see the directory, it will say that this is the directory user del download. So now if I run here, now if I see the path of the location, so now it's showing all those things, okay. So this is another important concept you must remember whenever you are working with R, that whether you have set the right path, whether you are in the right path, or you are calling the right path, okay. So these are the some of the another common issue have been occurred among the users, that they couldn't find the that particular location, okay. So this is about the packages and the path, and the path becomes very important whenever you are doing the analysis. So you must set the right path during the analysis, okay. So whenever you will be doing the analysis, you will be facing many issues, you will be seeing many errors during the analysis, okay. So the help feature in R is very beautiful, and it gives the straightforward way to solve that particular errors, okay. So there are different way to get the help from its interface itself. So one way is that using the function called help. So under help, you just like say for example, you want to know about the help about mean. Okay, so you can simply run it, and it will give that okay, if you want to know about help of mean, and so this is a arithmetic mean, and this is how you can call this function. So it gives one example also, like say for example, you run this example, this is created. Now if I create mean, now if I check the value of this mean, it's 8.75. So this is how you can use this help function to know about the particular, if you face any kind of error, if you want to know how to calculate mean or another computation in R. So there is a shortcut for instead of using this function help, you can use this question mark sign, and then you can simply write like mean, and if you do like this, it will give the same result. So this is how to get the help on this particular concept. Now you want to see the example of that particular function. Okay, so you can use that function example, and if you run like this example, it will give you the whole example, that this is how you have to process whenever you are using mean. Okay, now like say for example, if you don't want to use this function, and if you want it through this menu bar, so there are like different helps options are there. I already discussed in the starting lecture when I was discussing about the interface of R Studio, but you can search here. So if you click here on search R help, it will automatically come here, and like say for example, you want maybe about correlation. Okay, so these are some of the different help pages for this particular correlation. Then say for example, I'm going with this. Okay, so this is how you can check the help in R by using either the function or by using the question mark symbol, or using the interface itself. So this is about the help, what you can take it from this interface whenever you are stuck to any kind of analysis, or you are starting, you want to know how to go ahead with this particular example of this particular analysis. Okay, so this is the end of the fourth week. In this week, we have learned about the installation of R, then some of the shortcoming of using the R interface, and then we moved ahead to install the R Studio. And after that, we have seen the different features in R Studio and how R Studio is useful during the analysis. Then we have discussed about the different value type in R. We have discussed about the numeric, we have discussed about the character, we have discussed about the integer, logical, and we haven't discussed about complex and row. Then we have discussed about the data structures in R, like vector and data frame, list, matrices, factor, and array. And in the last, we have seen about the packages, how we can install the packages, and then the importance of setting up the path. And in the end, we have discussed about how we can use the help function, or if we have to know about the different examples. So I request you all to give a practice on all these concepts. So these concepts will be used when we will be doing the analysis. And if you have any of the issue, or if you stuck to any of the point, please let us know through our discussion forum. Thank you.